हिफाजत मुल्क की कभी सरहद पर जाकर देख लेना. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Indian Army needs no introduction. We have respect, love, pride, and admiration for our soldiers and for the Indian Army as a whole. From the burning deserts of Rajasthan to the icy heights of Siachen, from the battling war field to the nation building, from surviving struggle to supreme sacrifice, with an unbeatable will, our soldiers sacrifice their life for honor and above all for India.
Today is 15th of January, proudly celebrated every year in our country as Army Day. Army Day is a grand celebration of India's military might and its unsung personnel. It is on this historic day that General K.M. Kariappa became the first Indian to take charge of the Indian Army from his British counterpart General Francis Butcher in 1949. So here's wishing all of you a very happy Indian Army Day. Indian Army is the land-based forces of India. It is the world's second largest military forces and has the world's largest volunteer army. It is also ranked fourth among the world's strongest and the most powerful militaries. The President of India is the supreme commander of the Indian Army, whereas the profession head of the Indian Army is the Chief of Army Staff.
The primary mission of the Indian Army is to ensure national security and national unity. It not only fights in wars but also takes part in rescue operations and protects the lives of civilians when natural calamities occur like cyclones, earthquakes, floods, etc. The Indian Army has been involved in 4 wars with neighboring Pakistan and one with China. It has also conducted numerous peacekeeping operations across the world.
finally became the Indian National Army after independence. Indian Army is divided into 6 operating commands and 1 training command. All these commands have diverse histories and have participated in a number of battles and campaigns across the world, winning a large number of battles and theatre honor before and after independence. 2 officers have been conferred with the rank of Field Marshal, a 5-star rank which is a ceremonial position of great honor. It was first conferred to Sam Manekshaw in 1973 in recognition of his service and leadership in the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War. The second individual to be conferred the rank was General K.M. Karyappa, the first Indian to serve as the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army.
The Indian Army has only one goal, which is to safeguard nation's security and maintain unity in the country. All the recruits in the army perform to achieve this one goal, with more than 1 million people working in the army in various capacities. It serves as a universal source of pride and inspiration for citizens from all hues and walks of life.
तू ही सब कुछ, तू ही जान मेरी, तेरे हाथों की लकीरों में तकदीर मेरी, तू जो हारी है हार मेरी, उठे सर भी मेरा जो हो जीत तेरी। तू न चलेगा अकेला कभी की संग चलेगी मेरी दुआ, तू न थकेगा कभी की ताकत तुझ में लाखों की है। तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू बढ़ता चल, तू बढ़ता चल, तू बढ़ता चल, तू लड़ता चल, तू लड़ता चल, तू लड़ता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल,
Army Day is celebrated every year at all the Army Command headquarters and national capital by organizing army parades including many other military shows. The main Army Day parade is conducted in the Karyappa Parade Ground in Delhi Cantonment to honor the soldiers of the country who live for the protection of its independence and dignity and give their lives for it. Military hardware, different contingents and a combat display are part of the parade. Gallantry awards and Sena medals are also awarded to the soldiers for their bravery on this day.
Service before self is the slogan of the Indian Army. The safety, honor and welfare of the country comes first, always and every time for the Indian soldier. Life of a soldier works on the theme of nation first. He sacrifices his life for the protection of the nation's pride. He is a true patriot and is always ready to lay down his life in the service of the motherland. A soldier is an unsung hero who remains in the shadows and plays out a part that is not seen but only felt.
My company's success के laws ये दिल मांगे more. The guys were so highly charged up that they're wanting that some more bunkers should have been there and we would have got the more chaps.
He was the bravest of the brave, whose slogan Ye Dil Mange More defined the spirit of some of India's bravest sons, soldiers who fought some of the most intense infantry battles since the Second World War. For his bravery, Vikram Batra was honored with the Paramveer Chakra. At the height of the Kargil War, the NDTV team met the young captain just days before he perished, fighting to liberate the impossible point 4875 in the Kargil Heights. His men knew him as Sher Shah, and the enemy had heard of this name as well.
They were on the same frequency which were we on our radio sets, and one of the Pakistani soldiers or officer, whosoever it was, he said me my code name was Sher Shah. Oh Sher Shah, you have come. Don't try to come up, otherwise you'll have a tough time. And that was the time they gave us a challenge, and my guys, they went wild. Okay, how dare a Pakistani troop can challenge us?
Vikram's next operation on the 7th of July 1999 was his last, and what he personally managed to do helped send the Pakistani army into full retreat. In bloody hand-to-hand combat with Pak soldiers, Vikram charged, screaming Durga Mata Ki Jai, his Jackraff regiment's war cry. Entering a stone fortification, he killed 5 Pakistani soldiers using his gun and bayonet, but ultimately perished when he was targeted by an enemy machine gun nest. Buoyed by his leadership, his soldiers attacked the Pakistani position with vengeance, capturing point 4875.
The courage, spirit of comradeship and brotherhood, irrespective of religion, caste and creed, inculcate this strength to even face bullets, embracing death to become immortal for all the time in all soldiers of the Indian Army. It is a moral duty of every Indian to respect and love our national heroes. So here a poem recited by Adya as a tribute to our soldiers.
They have come and they have gone, each with their own special story, to fight for our freedom and with glory. They have come and they have gone, faceless names upon the field of death, a living hell than one last breath. They have come and they have gone, in the midst of the furious firing, giving a hug to a body who is dying. They have come and they have gone, unsung heroes to the battle call, only to be a name inscribed upon a wall. They have come and they have gone, and this will continue as time goes by. For to keep the freedom, many will die. They have come and they have gone, from the land of the free and the home of the brave. They have come and they have gone. Let's not forget them. For our freedom we must save.
The Indian Army has time and again lived up to its tradition of valor, heroism, sacrifice, and fortitude. It stands vigilant along the border, watchful, prepared for any sacrifice, so that the people of the country may live in peace and with honor. We all salute our Indian Army and pay homage to the supreme sacrifice which our army brothers are doing every day for the safety, unity, and integrity of their motherland. To the servicemen who risk their lives to secure our freedom and help us live without strife. Your sacrifice we commemorate in our own humble way, and your contribution we celebrate on this Army Day. Jai Hind.